Good morning. I'm in the wonderful city of Daly City, here in the San Francisco Bay Area. And in this video, I'm checking out a legit hidden gem, Gateway Kitchen. Locals in the area and people looking for Filipino hidden gems, this is the spot. Here early in the morning, wanting to catch it right when it opens. Luckily, they're open. Some of the reviews say it's hit and miss on the availability. But they are open, and I want to try this Gateway Kitchen, Daly City's hidden gem, right now. Cash only. There it is. Doesn't look like it's open, but they're open. Hello. It's my first time here. I just saw it online. Oh, okay. Do you eat here a lot? This one? It's good, huh? The pork chop? Okay. Let's try that. Ooh. Thank you. All right. All right, so just picked up the food from Gateway Kitchen, and definitely one of those places where you go in, you order, and then you wait for your food and you take it to go. Kitchen staff is in there doing their thing. Not much conversation going on, just people coming in knowing what to get, what to order. Recommended dish was the HK garlic pork chops. That's what the customer had said to get, and also the employee was mentioning a few other items. But that's what I picked up here at this legit hidden gem. Let's take a look at the food now. So I'm actually standing outside of the restaurant. Well, I mean the restaurant's right across the street right here. You just gotta find a parking spot and eat your food outside in your car or wherever. Okay, moment of truth. Oh man. Oh, pork chops. I think the total was like $8. Oh boy. Look at that. Pineapple. So this dish comes with pineapple, the pork chops, yeah, fried HK cutlets, and that garlic rice. Oh, I believe there's an egg right here too. So let's just put these pineapples to the side. I mean, I'm sure back in the day it was cheaper, but for $7, $8, that's not bad out here in the Bay Area. Okay, let's give this Filipino hidden gem food a try right now. Let's just try that pork chop by itself. Nothing but just that pork chop. Bite. Oh man. Oh wow. Oh, that HK pork chop is nice, crispy, garlicky. I love that. Perfectly deep fried. That is a wonderful breakfast bite right there. Oh man, another bite. I take some with those garlic shards. A bite. Oh man. That was just like made to order. I love the garlic flavor. Obviously the key ingredient is those garlic pieces, the fried garlic shards. Oh, that is tasty, crispy, and delicious. All right, I'm excited to try this with the rice now. So we'll bite this and chase it with rice. Bite. Garlic rice, here we go. Oh, that is tasty. Oh yeah. Garlic rice for the win. I mean, that is just simply delicious Filipino breakfast. Wow. That combination with the rice, fantastic. I guess we can go on to this egg here. Break into this egg. And again, it might not look it, but for the price, budget-friendly dish, and the taste is phenomenal. Let's try that egg. Oh yeah. Here we go. Bite. Yeah. That's a nice fried egg. Yeah. I mean, it's not as yolky and runny as I would like to have it. But that's a good egg. Let's chase it with some pork chop. Bite. I mean, the winner right now is definitely that pork chop. 2 pieces too. Go back for some more rice. I mean, for $8, can't go wrong with this. It is delicious. Masarap, hidden gem, Gateway Kitchen. I shall be back to try some more of your other dishes, but let's keep working on this fantastic meal. Now, I'm not much of a pineapple person with my savory foods, but it's interesting that they do have pineapple here. I don't know what the idea is. Is this a HK thing? I don't know if it's something Filipino, but we will try the pineapples. Give that a bite. Bite. It's a good pineapple. A nice side addition, maybe to give it some sweetness, break up some of the garlic flavor. Okay, that's fine. We got to get back to that pork chop. Let's do a egg pork chop rice bite. There we go. Okay. Get the egg now. All right. We'll pick it up. Hey, what's up, buddy? All right. Let's give that a bite. Bite. Oh. So good, man. Wow. Kind of tempted to go back inside and order the other dishes. I guess let's wrap up this pork chop now. Let's try it with the pineapple. Chase it with the pineapple. Interesting. I probably wouldn't do that again. That's just bone. One down. One more to go. Oh, this is awesome. I can't believe I have another pork chop to go. Love it. Okay, again, there it is. Gateway Kitchen. Just like that, lay that on top. Get some of that rice. Yeah. Put it right on top. Okay, here we go. All right, that's gonna be the bite right there. Bite. Oh no. Mozzarella. I'm definitely gonna come back and try some of your other dishes. Fantastic, so good. Legit hidden gem Filipino spot here in Daly City. Do you eat there all the time? Oh yeah. Oh yeah? What's the number one item there? The pork chop? Yeah. Yeah. More customers coming from that restaurant. Just asked me if I had a good breakfast. Absolutely. That's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, enjoy the bite life. Later.